Okay, try this kind of question. Okay, here the first question. Okay, we will start with the beginning. Okay, write down the topic also when you are writing. Write the topic. First of all, write the topic, the fractions. Okay,
Okay.
here, look at it. In Jordy's school, 1/5 pupils are grade 7, 1/5 of the pupils are grade 3. The ratio of the girls are boys. Girls to boys is year 7 is 3 to 5, 3 to 2, 3 to 2, and 20% of the girls in year 7 has blonde hair. Okay, now get the question correctly. Okay, 1/5 of the people, either here 1/5 of the pupils are grade 7, year 7. The ratio of the girls to boys is 2 to 3 to 2. Boys 2. Yeah. Girls are- Okay, ask the pupil in the schools are girls in grade year 7 in the blood. How to do that? Something different one, okay? What fraction? What fraction? Look at it. What fraction of the pupil in the school are girls in the year 7 with the blonde hair? There should be all the condition. First of all, you know, fraction of the what? Grade year 7 is what? 105. Is that clear? Fraction of the year 7 is 105. And fraction of the girl should be what? 3 to 2. Altogether, how many there? 3 to 2 means altogether there are 5 parts, no?
Yeah.
Out of 5, how many girls there?
2.
Yeah, you can take that total 3 or 5. Is that clear?
Yeah.
And also, there are mentioned 20% of girls are blonde hair. 20% means 20 or
1/5.
yeah, actually it is 1/5. Yes. 20 or 100, otherwise 1/5. So these are the things. So altogether they ask it 1/5 of the 1/5 of the grade 7 and 3/5 of the girls and 1/5 over what? Blonde hair. So you can find what is the fraction of all. You have to do what? You have to do multiple all of these three. Is that clear? You have to do
Yeah.
multiple because there are taking the what? Something like off. 1/5 off. The ratio of the girls there.
Yeah.
20% off. If they are having word off, you have to take what? Multiplication. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now get the answers. How do we multiply this one? You have to multiply numerator and numerator separately. No? Yes.
Yeah.
5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. Here value what? 125. Here 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 1, 3. So answer should be 3 over 125. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to do part B, Buddha. Try to do part B and tell me, try to get the answer.
So what does it mean by recurring decimal and terminating decimal?
Do you know what is the recurrent decimal and terminating decimal?
No.
Okay. You know how, what is, okay. If I take like this, 1 over 2, how to take this one as a decimal form?
0.5.
Is the answer.
0.3.
Yeah. Okay. Divide it by 1 over 3. Look at it. How many 3 is for 1, 0. 0 into 1, 0, remainder 1. And decimal point. For 10, there are 3. 3 into
Mm.
3, 9. Again, remaining 1. Again, put 0. Again, 3. 3 into 3, 9. Remaining 1. Again, 0. Like that one, there are no finish, no?
Mm-hmm.
The answer should be 0.3333. Like that one, we are taking like them as what? Recurring decimal.
Mm.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
There are no ending. So normally
Is it terminating decimal?
point.
Okay, sir. So, for the first one. Okay, sir.
Is this one recurring decimal? How you think? Divide by
You
10.
have to divide.
Yeah. Yes, Putin? Is there issue here? Last question.
The first one, that
Yeah,
one.
this one is part A. Is that not clear for you?
Yeah.
Is that part A is clear? Okay. Part B, they are asking what is this a recurring? You have to divide that thing.
Mhm.
Okay. When you are
Yeah.
dividing this 25 divided by 33, there are no. So you have to place the decimal point and 250 divided by 33. Yes. Divide it is 790. 241. 29. So 9 there are. So you have 9. So 90. There are how many 33? There are two. So 66. Yeah. 66. 824. For 224. No, 240. There are again 6, I guess.
So I can't hear you. So I can't hear you.
Uh, can't hear.
Uh, not really clear.
Are not clear.
You know.
Okay. The first part is okay for you. Okay.
Which
This
no,
part
that part is a bit confusing.
confused, no? Yes. That's again I will do.
Mhm.
Yes. Sometimes is disconnected after 40 minutes today. Again, you see the same Zoom link and join me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, now it's clear. No, I think there are huge rain here. That's why they are having a network issue. Really sorry for that. Okay.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Yes. Here, this may
Hmm.
be a little confusing. Okay. When,
Yeah.
normally, when you added these two, you have to take a common denominator. No?
Yeah.
Now, you have to create a common denominator here. What is
Hmm.
the denominator? 11 and 6. 11 and 6. What is the common denominator? You have to take LCM. 11 and 6. LCM should be 66.
Hmm.
Now, use 66 and you have to do that one. Okay. I take
Hmm.
separately this question. A over 11. Okay. A,
Hmm.
A over 11 plus B over 6 equal 25 over 33. Like this. No?
Hmm.
Now, I take common denominator as 66 for these two. 11 and 6, common denominator 66. For
Yeah.
create 66, this value should be multiplied by 6. So here
Hmm.
also should be multiplied by 6. 6 into A, 6A. Is that clear?
Yeah.
plus 6 should be converted for 66. You have to multiply this one by 11. So this value also should be multiplied by 11. 11b. Is that
Yeah.
clear? Equal for other side. You can convert this value also for 66. How? You can
You times it by
multiply by multiply by 2.
2.
You can convert 33 also for 66. How? You should be multiplied by 2. If you are
Mm.
multiply denominator into 2, you have to do same for the numerator. You have to
Mm.
multiply by 2. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Now, bottom all parts are equal. Now you have to think about the numerators only. There are 6a plus 11b equal for 50. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have to think and put the two values for a and b. That's the important thing.
Mhm.
Okay. I just think a is equal for 1. If
Mhm.
a is equal for 1, what is the equation here? 6a plus 11b equal for 50. So I
Mhm.
think a is equal for 1. So 6 multiplied a, what? Substitute a as what? What? 6
Mhm.
into 1 plus 11b equal for 50. 6 into 1,
Mm.
what is the value? 6 plus 11b equal to 50. So a plus a goes to other side, plus 6 goes to other side, it become minus 6. So
Mhm.
11b equal for 50 minus 6. So
Mm.
11b equal for 50 minus 6, 44. Now
44.
you can divide both sides by 11. You have to
7.
substitute. B equal to what?
4.
Clear? So answer should
Yeah.
be a equal to what? B equal to. You have to do like that.
I get it now.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, can you write down now
Mm.
and think about the expressions? No need to divide this one, no? You know how to divide it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yes. Now next one, add together. This is 96 of 180. 1.146. Give you answer mixed number is the simplest way. How
Mm.
to add? Here decimal value, you have here 1 point, here with the recurring dot also 1.146. That's a recurring number.
Mhm.
Okay, when you add in these two, you have to convert both of them as what? Both of
Uh,
them as a fractional form.
mm.
How to convert this value into fractional form? Here, what is the 1.146?
Mhm.
Something different, no? 1.1.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1.146. You have to convert this one for the fractional one. Okay.
Mm. Yeah.
Before that one, I think it's better to do some question regarding this lesson. Okay. Because
Mhm.
someone you are not familiar these things. So I will go some question regarding that one. Okay. Here, first of all, you have to convert all for the what? 24 that LCM, that common
Mhm.
denominator. After that one, you have to write like this.
Mm. Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall we move? I think you already know how to work with the fraction addition, subtraction like that. Okay.
Mhm.
We will do
Yeah.
some question regarding that one also. This is important. First of all, you should be aware of these things. After that one, we can do questions. Okay.
Mhm.
Shall we do this 5 question quickly?
Yeah.
First question 5. Okay. A, B,
Mhm.
C. If they are having mixed number like this, first of all, you have to convert this one for improper fraction. Did you remember how to convert improper?
Yeah.
Yes.
You
How?
do 8 times 2, which
Yeah.
is 16.
16.
And
Yeah.
then the denominator,
Yeah.
16 plus 3 is 19.
Yeah,
Decimal unit.
19 over 8 minus 3 over 4. Yes, good.
Mhm.
Like that you can do. Okay.
Mhm.
I give 2 minutes. 2, 3 minutes. I try these 5 questions. There are five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, I will write. Okay. Do it.
Yeah, you know B.
B1. It's hard. Yeah.
Do you do 15 times 5 for that?
Yeah, you can cancel. Here, when you multiply, you can cancel
Mhm.
denominator and numerator. 5 and 50 can be cancelled. Here
Mhm.
1, here 3. Now just multiply. Here 3
Mm.
into 2, 6. Here 17 into 1, 7. Like that.
I've done everything.
Okay, this. When you multiply, you can cancel. Here, but still you have to convert for the improper.
Mhm.
This value, please convert for the improper.
Yeah, I've done it.
Okay, yeah. All right.
Um,
Yeah, do it. Okay. Take time, it's okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. I will quickly do them.
Mhm.
Here I'll take straight. First one is easy for you. Here, first one, there are mentioned 2, 3 over 8. That means 19 over 8 minus 3 over 4.
Mhm.
19 over 8 minus 3 over 4. No? So when you
Yeah.
are subtracted these two, you have to take common denominator. 8 and 4. 8 and 4 common denominator, you can take it as 8 because
Mhm.
8, 4 can be converted for the 8. Yes. So no need to multiply here. Yes. We have to multiply this one by 2. When you multiply by 2, 3 into 2, 6. 19 minus 6, it is 13 over 8.
Mhm.
Answer should be 13 over 8. Normally, this is improper fraction. You can convert this one into the mixed number, no? So how
Mhm.
many 8 for 13? There are 1, remaining 5. So
Mhm.
1, 5, 8.
Mhm. Yeah.
That's correct. Is that correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay. Next one, 15 over 17 multiply 2 over 5. 15 over 17. I already did that one, no? Yes. 3 over 5. Like that, no? Is that correct? Okay. 2 over 5, not 3 over 5. Here 2 over. No? When you have this kind of question, you can cancel numerator and the numerator. You can cancel. Here, how many fives? There are 1, there are 3.
Three.
Now you can multiply. Here 3 into 2 should be 6. 17 into 1, 17. Only that. 6 over 70. That's easy.
Yeah.
Done. 1 over 7, 3, 1 over 3. 1 over 7 multiply 3, 1 over. Okay. I previously said
Mhm.
if they are having mixed number, you have to convert in for the input. 1 over 7 multiply. You can convert this one for the input. Right? 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 over 3. Is that clear? No? Yes.
Yeah.
Now multiply. There are no cancellation. 7 and 10 can't cancel. 1 and 3 no need. So 1 into 10, it is 10. Denominator 7 into 3, 21.
You want.
10 over 21. It's
Mm-hmm.
10 over 21. And next one, 2 to 5 plus 5, 3 over 4. Like this. Okay, 2 to 5 plus 5, 3 over 4. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
when you, first of all, you have to convert this all for the mix improper analysis. No? Yes. Here, 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 over 5. Plus. Here, 5 into 4, 20. 20 plus 3, 23 over 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you have
Yeah.
to think, yeah. Now you have to think about the common denominator. What is the common denominator here? 5 and
5,
4.
4.
What is the common denominator?
Um, 4.
5 should be multiplied by 4. 4 should be multiplied by 5. Like that. You have to change. What is this? It should be 20. It is 20, no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes. LCM should be 20 because both of them can be divided only by lowest value is 20. So if this one multiplied by 4, this value also should be multiplied by 4. 12 into 4. 12 into
48.
48 plus. This value should be multiplied by 5. So here also should be multiplied by 5. 23 into 5,
Mm,
115. It is
15. Yeah.
115. Yes. 48 plus 115. What is the values? Uh, if I take 50, 165, 163. So answer
Mm-hmm.
163 over 20. Is
Mm-hmm.
that correct? Yeah. If it is wrong,
Yeah.
yeah. Now you can divide by 20. How many 20 is there? Here 8.
Mm-hmm.
80 into 20, 160. There are remaining 3. 3 over 2. Like that.
Mm.
If there are
Yeah.
any, had any mistake, you can write. Another question there.
Mm.
Okay. The last one. 1 over 7 into 3, 1 over 3. 3, 1 over 3. If they are having mixed numbers, you have to convert that one for the improper. So when you
Mm-hmm.
convert info, 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 over 10. Now,
Mm.
there are no cancellation. Just multiply. Like previous. I did this one, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
It's
did.
the big one.
Yeah,
If you can.
degree one. Here, this one, sorry. 1 over 5 divided by 2, 1 over 2.
Mm.
I scroll this one.
Mhm.
1 over 5 divided by 2, 1 over 2. 2, 1 over 2. First of all, you have to convert this one for mixed numbers. 1 over 5 divided by here 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 2. Okay. If they are
Mhm.
having like this, if they are having division like this, what can you do?
In times it.
You can take it as a multiplication. 1 over 5. You can convert this one for the multiplication. Division can be converted for what? Multiplication. Here division can be
Mhm.
converted for multiplication. After that, what should you do? You have to take
Yeah. To change
reci-
it.
yeah, you have to take reciprocal. 5 over 2 convert for what? 2 over 5.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
It'll be fine. Yeah.
Now look at multiply. Numerator and numerator separately. 5 into 5, 25.
Mm-hmm.
1 over 1 into 2, 2. So it is 2 over 25.
Mm-hmm.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. If they are having any mistake, you can write.
Mhm.
Check the answers. Previous one also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can ask any doubts when doing something. You can check me what's a message.
Okay.
Okay. If they are having any doubts, you can put the photograph and share me. Okay. Listen. If they are having off, and what is the meaning of that? It is a multiplication.
Mhm.
They are having off like this 205. What is the meaning of off? It should be
Oh.
multiplied by 30. Only that. Now
Mhm.
5 and 30 can be cancelled 6. 6 into 2 it is 12. Okay. You can just multiply. Here of
Mhm.
means it is multiplication. Here 7 over 8 of means multiplication euro 40.
Mhm.
Now you can cancel 8 and 40 it is 5. 5 into 8 is euro. 7 into 5 35.
35.
Like that.
Mhm.
Don't worry about the unit. Okay. Here for
Mhm.
multiple of means multiplication 1818 millimeters. Now you can
Mm.
answer. Here 9 there are 2. For 80 there are 2. It's 202, no? 202.
Mhm.
202 into 4. 202 into 4 it is 808 millimeters.
Mhm.
That's
Yes.
808. Like that and you can write. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This something. Okay. The important thing, if they are having like off, you can just multiply it.
Mhm.
If they are having word like off, you can just multiply it.
Mm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. And next to the percentage. This one may be the complicated when you as previously see. Okay. Percentage means
Mhm.
you have to write it as by hundreds. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We will see some questions regarding that one. Okay. Actually,
Mhm.
as previously I said, if they are having a percentage of, if they
Mhm.
are having the word by of, there should be what? Multiplication.
Mhm.
Okay. Here are having some example. Here. Look at it. 37% of 16. If they are having the word of, you can what? Multiply. They are having several way. Look at it.
Mhm.
Here 4%, 37. He taking first by 10%, then by 5%, next by 1%, like that one they are divided. Okay. If you
Mhm.
want, you can take it like that. Okay. I think it's simply what of means actually multiplication. So
Mhm.
10% of 18 centimeters, 10% means 10 over 100. Of
Okay.
means multiplication and 18 centimeters. Now you can cancel. 0 and 0 can be cancelled. 18 divided by 10. 18 divided by 10, 1.8 centimeters.
Mhm.
Okay. Like that one
Yeah.
you can write. Okay.
Mm. Yeah.
Yes. Here 25% of 1.2. How to write? 25%. 25 over 100 of means multiplication. Here euro 1.20. So how to cancel this one?
Uh,
Cancellation.
4 times 120.
Yeah. And also here 25, there are 4. Now 120 divided by 4. It is actually what?
Mm,
For 12, it is 0.30.
0.2.
Like that.
Mhm.
Here 2% of 200 milli. 2% means 2 over 100 of means actually multiplication. 200 milli. 200 milli. Now 100 and 200 can be cancelled. Yes. 2 into 2, it should be 4 milliliters. Okay. No
Mhm.
anything change. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, of means it should be multiplication.
Mm.
Just write that.
Yeah.
Then I having the word of you have just multiply it. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. Yes. And the next one. Here,
Mhm.
what is the meaning by buy? If they are having buy like this, okay. I will show an example. Mhm. There are no. It's okay. Okay. Now, here they are mentioned 30 by 10. Now
Mhm.
you have to increase it 30 by 10%.
Mhm.
That means 30 actually by means there also should be multiplication. Okay. 30
Mhm.
by 10%. Okay.
Yeah.
So 0 and 0 cancel. Here 0 and 0 cancel. 3. So
Mhm.
final answer should be not 3. Previously it is 30. Now increase by 3. So what is final
That's
answer?
33.
30.
33.
Yes. 30 plus 3 it is 33. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you do this too quickly?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, 500 by 8%. Yes. Do. If I faster, let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If anyone didn't understand any part, please ask again. Okay. Ask anytime.
Okay.
Sometimes I try to do lot of question. Okay. If there are having some doubt, ask.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here 508% no 2020 cancel. It is 40. So value
Mhm.
500 plus 40.
40.
So it is 540. Yes. So here third one euro 91 by 12%. So how to cancel here? How did you
Um,
cancel? If I cancel by 4, this one 3, this one 25, yes. Any method? No. 91 into 3, actually 200
So
and
um, I did 91 divided by 100.
Okay. You take
Now it's
just, yeah. It is easy to divide by 100, no? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here 12 over 100. So 91 into 12. What is the value?
91 divided by 100.
Yeah, 91 divided by, yes. What is it?
0.91.
Yeah, 0.91. It should be multiplied by 12.
Oh, yeah.
That should be 90.
10.92.
Yes. Yeah, 10.92. Yes, 10.92 euros.
And then you add it to 91.
Yeah, so finally 91 plus 10.92. So it is 101, 104.92 euros.
Okay.
Okay, like that.
Yeah.
You can write, no? Yes.
Mhm.
If there are decrease, what is the difference? Increase, you have to add. Decrease, you have to subtract.
Hmm.
Okay, can you do this tree also quickly?
Yes.
Okay, okay, do. Okay, again. Okay, right. Here it should be decreasing. 600. Why?
I've done it, sir.
Yeah. 600 by 20%. Yes. Okay, cancel two zeros, two zeros. 6 into 100 and yes, 120. So final answer 600 minus 120. So it is 408.
Yeah.
It is 408. That's 408. Like that, continue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, second one, there are 18 euro by 90%. So 80 euro by 90%. So what is the answer here? Can you simplify?
Um,
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah. I think it is 2.42 euros, something like that.
3.2.
Yeah, 3.42, no?
Yeah.
Yes. Now it is decreasing by 18. Previously it is 18. Now it is decreasing by 4.42. Now subtracted it is 58, 14.58, no? Final answer.
Yeah.
14.58 euros. Okay, here 140 by 5%. So 140 by 5%. 0 and 0 cancel. If you want, you can cancel by 2 here. 40 divided by 2, 7.
Yeah.
So final 140 minus 7 is
133.
133 like that. Okay, I think you got the point.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, like that you can calculate. Okay,
Mhm.
yeah, order of operation. Wait, here with the decimal point. Okay, no need think about the recurrence. Okay, just
Mhm.
think. Yeah, here actually 96 over
180.
180, and this one there are three decimal point. If they are having three
Mhm.
decimal point, actually that is what 100
1,000.
1146 divided by 1000.
Mhm.
Okay, like
Yeah.
this. Okay, now they ask you add together. When you added these two, what do? You have to take common denominator there.
Mm.
Okay, no need to do this one. Later on you can do. Okay,
Mhm.
here the same. These are same type of question. Okay, now I wanted to get the answer for this one. Do
Mhm.
you know how to get the answer for this one? Before that
Uh,
one, these type of questions, you have to what? They are having a order.
yeah, bid math.
Yeah, you have to go with the what? With mass order. Yes.
Mm.
Bracket, indices, division,
Division.
multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In
Subtraction.
previously, you know what mass order like that one. They you can use what bit mass order. Same like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
You know this one.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So I wanted to get the answer like this. Okay. They ask you write this value as the single multiplication of the 5. Okay.
Mhm.
That means 5 is only constant. Okay. Don't worry.
Mhm.
Now tell me 2 5 minus 5.
Is
1
it one?
only 1 5. 1
Mhm.
5. Like this. Okay. Here
Mhm.
12 5 plus 24 5. What is there?
12 pi.
36 5.
Oh, yeah, five.
Yes. Here 1 over 2 5 plus 2 5.
2.5.
2.5. Otherwise 2 1 over 2 5. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Here, first of all, you have to do what? Brackets here.
Mhm.
So 3 plus 4, 7.
7.
7 into 5, 7, 5. Like here, what do you do? Here, 1
Um,
over 8, 5 take separately, 1 over 2. Now, these two you have to take common denominator 8. So you have to multiply this one by 4.
4.
So when you multiply this one by 4, here 1, here 2 into 4, 8, 1 into 4, 4. So it is 5 over 8. So what is
Mm.
the answer? 5 over 8, 5.
5.
Okay. Can you write down
Mm.
this 5?
Yeah. It's a.
Like that. Yes. Here work out extent area. of the perimeter and the perimeter. Area is what? Normally,
Uh,
if they are having a rectangle, area should be, you have to multiply these two sides, no?
yeah.
So when you multiply 2 over 7 multiplication 3 over 4. So how to multiply this one?
Uh,
Here
do you have
to,
to get a common denominator?
yeah, no need take common denominator. Just
Mm-hmm.
multiply, no? There are no
Yeah.
cancellation. So 3 into 2, 6. Here 7, 28. If you want, you can cancel by
Mm-hmm.
2. So it is 3 over 14. What is the area? Area centimeters? No.
Yeah.
Huh? Centimeters square.
Mm-hmm.
Area also centimeter multiplication by centimeter. It should be centimeter centimeter.
Mm.
That's what area. So
Yeah.
how to find perimeter? This is area. Perimeter means you have to add all the sides.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
if this one 2 over 7, this one also 2 over 7. If this one 3 over 4, this one also 3 over 4. Now you have to add. There are
Mm-hmm.
2 over 7. 2 over 7 plus 2 over 7. And there are 2 3 over 4. 3 over
Mm-hmm.
4 plus 3 over 4. You have to add all. When you're
Mm.
adding 7 and 4, what is the common denominator? Again, 28.
Mm-hmm.
Now add. When you're adding, you have to multiply this one by 4, this one by 4, this one by 7, this one by 7. So here
Mm-hmm.
7, here 7, here should be 4, here should be 4.
Mm-hmm.
4 into 2, 8. Here again 8. 3 into 7, 21. Here 21. Now add and get the answer. Yes. 8 plus 8, 16. 21, 21, 42. 42 plus 16,
The A.
58 over 28 centimeters. You want to can cancel by 2. If you cancel by 2, it is 29 over 40.
Mm-hmm.
Simplify by 2.
Mm. Okay, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and next there are having indices. Do you remember what are the rules there? If there are with the indices, when you multiply, if the base is equal, normally you take 5 to the power 2. This is what? Base. This is indices, no? You remember
Mm-hmm.
this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. With the index. Now, when you multiply with the same index, what do? You can add the indexes, no? If the
Mm.
base is equal, you can add 5 to the power here, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many ones? There are 6. So final answer should be 5 to the power 6. Is that clear?
Mm. Yeah.
You remember, no? Here, actually, if there are not mentioned any index, it should be 1. Here, 1
Mm.
plus 1, it is 9 to the power 2.
Mm.
Here, 3 to the power 2. How to get the answer? 3 to the power 2?
3 times 3.
3 times 3, yeah. It is 9. Yes. 3 to the power 4 means
3 times 3 times 3
3
times 3.
and 3, yeah. That's 81.
Mm.
Actually, minus 1 into 3. That should be 3 times minus 1.
Mm.
1 into 1 into 1, it should be 1.
Yeah.
Minus into minus, plus.
Mm.
Plus into minus, minus.
Mm.
If they are having odd power with the minus value, keep in mind, if they are having odd power like this,
Mm-hmm.
minus 1 into 5, minus 5 into 7, minus 1 into 13, like that. If they are having odd power,
Mm-hmm.
the answer should be what? Minus.
Minus.
If they are having even power like 2, 4, 20,000, 100, anything, it become what? Plus.
Yeah.
Okay, keep in mind. Okay, just write down these things also.
Okay.
Just write, okay? This.
Mm.
Do you have classes in the Saturdays? Vinay?
Huh?
Do you have classes in Saturday also?
Uh, I have a science class on
Science
Saturday,
Saturday.
but
Uh,
if you want, we can change it
yeah,
in
yeah,
that
yeah.
date.
No, no, it's fine. Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
They are having time. We will do Saturday and Sunday both.
Okay.
Okay. Let me know. Okay.
Mhm.
I wanted to just get idea today. After that,
Mhm.
we will do.
Yeah.
Yes. Now it's clear.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yes. I think you remember what is what the reciprocals. Reciprocals means you have to change the order. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
Reciprocal of 12 should be what?
1.
1 over 12. Here, what is the reciprocal of this one? First of all, you can write this one as what? Fraction form. There are
Mhm.
3 decimal places. So it is
Yeah.
125 over 1000. What is
Mhm.
the reciprocal of this one? You can change up and down. So it is reciprocal what? 1000 over
1.
125. How
Yeah.
many 125 for 1000? There are 8. So final answer should be 8.
8.
Oh, 8 otherwise. Okay. Can you write down these two also? That's a reciprocal. Reciprocal should be unknown.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
Okay. And they are having special indices rules. If they are
Mhm.
having minus value like this, a minus 1, you can write it as 1 over a to the power 1.
8.
Yes, a.
Yeah.
No need write 1 actually. If they are having a minus 3, you can take 1 over plus a minus 3. Clear?
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah. Always first power equal for same value. No need to take. Only
Yeah.
zeros powers equal for 1. 10 to the
Yeah.
power 0 equal for 1.
Mhm.
Minus 100 to the power 0 equal for what? 1. Always
1.
plus or 1. Any value. Zeros power is equal for 1.
1.
Okay. And
Mhm.
when you multiply minus 1 into plus 1, it become what? 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. A2 minus 1 into plus 1. Actually, when you multiply, I said what? You apply minus 1 into plus 1. A to the power only 0 power equal for what?
Mhm.
Okay. Just write down these 5 rules. Okay.
Mhm.
After
Yeah.
that, we will wind up for today. Okay.
Mhm.
Next day, we will discuss. I just started today. I wanted to get idea. That's it.
Okay.
Just write this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will do little question. Okay, not much. We will do quickly. We will go for that one.
Okay.
Okay. Do 3, 4 questions and we will move forward. Okay. When you write in with the standard form, with the scientific notation,
Okay.
there should be sometime we have to write with the plus multiplication. That means the 10 to the power plus values, and other time sometime there should be have minus values. Okay. So according to that one, if they are
Mm.
having
Yeah.
for big values, okay, something like 1000, million, okay, expected like that, we have to go with the plus values. 10 to the power plus
Mm.
values. If they are having something
Yeah.
like decimal point, 0.0 something, okay, 0.000, something like that value, we have to go for the minus value. Okay, that's only
Okay.
thing. You you just
Mm.
remind like this. If they are having, look at this one. If they are having 5.4
Mhm.
into 10 to the power 3, okay, we will write with the sharing. You have to know to write both side, okay, not only one direction.
Mhm. Yeah.
Sometimes they will be asking for the scientific notation. Sometimes you have to write for the scientific notation. Okay. If they are having like this,
Mm.
5,400. Okay. I wanted to write this
Yeah.
on as the scientific notation. Okay. First of all,
Mm-hmm.
you have to write this value for in between 0 to 10. That means
Mm.
0.1, 0.2, 5.1, 5.2, 10, 9 point up to 9.9. Okay. So when you consider that one, the decimal point should be placed between here. 5 and 4
Yeah.
should be 5.4. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you actually, if there are not mentioned decimal point, the decimal point should be placed at last, no? Here. If
Yeah.
not mentioned decimal point, actually there are no decimal point. Okay. If there are not mentioned any decimal point, it should be placed at last. Now, it should be, I wanted to take it in between 5 and 4. If I wanted to take in between 5 and 4, it should be placed how many times? 1, 2, 3 times for the left
Three.
side. Yes, 3
Mm.
times to the left. If I am moving 3 times to left, it should be 10 to the power plus 3. If it is moving for
Mm.
the left side, it should be 10 to the power plus 3. So you can write it as like this 5.4 10 to the power plus 3. Is that clear? Small
Yeah.
clear? Yeah. If they
Yes,
are
sir.
having one more question, 9,800, 98,000. Okay, 98,000. First of all, you have to place decimal point up to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4 times. If you move
Mm-hmm.
like that, it should be what? 9.8 10 to
9.8,
the power.
10 to the power 4.
Yes. Is that clear? You have to move for
Yeah.
4 times. The other side, sometimes they
Mm.
are asking like this. If they are writing like 7.1 into the 10 to the power 5. Okay. Now I wanted to
Mm-hmm.
write this one as a not here scientific notation. I wanted to convert it for the normal form. So you have to move this decimal point to 5 times. Actually, if you move to one time, it is 71. If I move
Mm.
this one time, it is 71. So there are 4 more times, but there are no numbers. For you, you should
Mm.
be place how many zeros? You have to place four
Oh,
zeros for that one. Is that clear?
yes, sir.
It is one thing. And other thing
Mm-hmm.
with the negative values. When you go with
Mm-hmm.
the negative values, you have to convert this format for the other side only. Okay, you
Mm-hmm.
have to think
Yeah.
this same format, but it going with the other side. Like here, if I take what 0.0071, okay, same value. Actually, I
Mm.
wanted to move this one until 0 to 10. 0 to 10 value means you have to place up to which point? Into here. That means how
Yeah.
many times? 1, 2, 3 times for the right
3.
side. Now it's move for
Mm.
the right side. If you are move for the right side, it should be right 7.1 into the what? -3.
-3.
Yes, is that clear? Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one more thing. 0.005.3. Okay, again, if you move like that, it should be move 1, 2, 3, 4. If you move in 4 times, you can write it as 5.3 into 10 to the power -4. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can you
Mm-hmm.
write down these things? And we will move for the,
Yes, sir.
okay, quickly move for the exercise. Okay, write it down.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I will go for the exercise. Okay. Can you quickly do 1, 2, 3, 4. Only answers. Okay, write down. Write down only the answers for this question. All of them. You can do quickly.
Okay, sir.
There are 6 questions. I will give you like 5 minutes. You can do it. Okay. Quickly do.
Okay, sir.
Uh, Take your time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Uday, give me 1 minute. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, Mutri, okay. So you can check the answers. Is this correct?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. First one like this one, it should be 45 million, no? 45,
Mhm.
6 zeros. And next one, 0.091. Is that correct? If they are having any mistake, let me know, okay? Okay, so there should be, you have to place this
Mhm.
decimal point for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you are moving 8 for the which side? Right side, it should be 7.9, 10 point minus 8.
Minus it.
Yeah, it should be minus 8.
Yeah.
Yes. And next one, here 3 point. First of all, we can convert these numbers for the what? Standard form, normal form. So here 3.5,
Mhm.
10 to the power 5 should be 35. There are 4 zeros should be 1, 2,
Mhm.
3, 4. Here it should be 1 minus 42. There are 2 zeros. Now you can subtract them. No? Actually, it should be
Mhm.
subtraction. Here 350,000 and here 4,200 subtracted.
200.
Yes, just subtracted 0, 0. Here 8. There should be 9, 5. There are 4. Yes, it's
Mhm.
345,800. No? Yes.
Mm.
Okay, so here, is that correct? These questions? Any
Yeah.
mistake? Yeah. Is that clear? No? Yes. And
Yeah,
here,
sir.
you have to find the largest number. It's better to convert all this for the standard form. So here 332, there are 320. Here, if there are having
Mm-hmm.
minus 2, you can convert that one for what other side? 0 point, what should be there? 031, no? Like that.
You're doing one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here 30.9. 30.9. Here should be you should be at these two value. 3 here, 210.
250.
It's 213. It's 213. Okay, you can convert like this.
Mhm.
So they are asking
Yeah.
what is the smallest to largest. So smallest value should be this one. Here the first one.
Mhm.
Second is smallest this one. Here the third one. And the largest value should be this one.
Mhm.
Both. Okay. Like that one you can
Yeah.
convert. Yes. Here there are mentioned the speed of the light. Approximation is like this. Write this standard form. Scientific notation. So when you write in for the scientific notation, you have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 times. So 3 into 10 to the power 8. Is that correct? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5,
So.
6, 7, 8. Yes. 3 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, that's the
Mhm.
speed of light. Actually, like that. Okay. Here, a piece of A4 paper like this. So work out height of the stack of 200 sheets. So you have to multiply this one 1.1 into the 10 to the minus 4 multiply by 200.
Mhm.
When you multiply,
Yeah.
actually there are two zeros. Two zeros means
Mhm.
plus 2. You
Mhm.
can cancel. Actually, when you write it this one 1.1 into the 10 to the power minus 4. If you want, you can write this one 2 into 10 to the power plus 2. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you multiply with, did you remember this minus value and plus value? When you multiply, you can add them.
Mm.
Okay. Now 1.1 can be multiplied by 2. Is it okay? No? When you multiply by 2, it is 2.2. That's 2.2. Okay. It's 2.2 into here minus 4 and plus 2. What should be there? Minus 4 plus 2. It is minus 2. 2.2
Mhm.
into minus 2. Is that clear? The final answer
Oh,
like that.
yes.
Okay. Any mistake? Any doubt there? No.
No. Can I just copy number 6? Because I
Yeah,
got
yeah,
that one
yeah.
wrong.
Okay, okay, right down there. Can you see clearly with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. The blue outline. Okay,
Mhm.
okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Just continue. Yes. Okay. The only thing you have to know how to convert standard form with the numbers. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So here I have in some strategies. Okay. So there are not much. These are just numbers. Some question regarding to there. Shall we do some questions? Here are
Yes,
some
sir.
question. Okay. Shall we try?
Yeah.
Okay. This is some simple question. Okay. You will me try. Okay.
Mhm.
Here first all. Write down a prime number and factor of 12 that add up to 13.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Prime number and factor of 12 that add up to 13. What is the meaning of that one? Write down the prime number and it is a factor of 12 that add up to 13.
13.
Yes. It should be a prime number. Prime number
Mhm.
factor of 12. What is the only prime number factor of 12? It should be 2 or 3.
Mm.
It can be a factor of 2, it can be 3. Other factors of 2
Mm.
is 4, 6, something like that. No? When you adding
Mm.
factor of 12, that adapt to 13. Yes. Okay, just asking prime number and factor of 12.
Mm.
Yes, continue. Yes.
So until what question should I do?
Yeah, up to 8 question. Do there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, actually, first one, they are asking, write down the prime number and a factor of 12. What should be there? So, what is the prime number? And the factor of 12, that can be, when you're adding that 2, should be 13. The prime number,
Mm.
if I take prime number 2, the other value should be, when you're adding 13, it should be 11. 11 is not a factor of 12. No?
Mm.
So, we can take 2.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the next value, if I take 3, prime num prime number,
Mm-hmm.
the other value should be, when it is 13, other value should be 10. So 10 is not a factor of 12.
Mm.
So we can't take 3 also. Is that clear? Okay, next value is
Yes, sir.
5. If I take 5, other value should be 8. Okay. Did you remember what are prime number?
Mm-hmm.
Prime number should be not divided by any other value. Okay, so 5 plus 8, it
Yeah.
should be 13. It's okay, but 8 is not a factor of 12. So we can't take 5. Is that clear? We have to think
Mm.
like that.
Yes, sir.
The next value should be next prime number 7. 7, that's okay. 7, other value should be 6. When you add it as for 13, Other value should be 6. So the prime
Mm.
number should be what? 7. 6 is a factor of 12. No? 6 is actually factor of
Yeah.
12. So we can take that 2.
Mm.
So one number is what? One number is 7. 7 is the prime number. 7 is the prime number.
Mhm.
This is the prime number. This is the prime number. Other value is what? Factor.
Mm.
Factor is here. 6 is what? Factor of 12. Now it's fine, no? We have
Yes,
to
sir.
take 7 and 6. Factor of 12. Is that clear? You have to think some, okay? There should be thinking some.
Mhm.
Okay? You have to think like
Okay,
that.
sir.
That's the thinking method. I started with 2. If I take 2, other value should be 11. 11 is not a factor of 12. If I take 3, other value should be 10. 10 is not a factor of 12. If I take
Mm.
5, other value should be 8. 8 is not a factor of 12. If I take 7, other value should be 6. 6 is factor of 12. You have to take 7 and 6. Like that, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Something they are having to thinking of, okay?
Mhm.
Yes. This it may be little good questions, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Next one, write down 630 as a product of prime factors using the indices. Okay, how to write this type of question? 630. I will give you a proper way for writing this type of question. Okay, you have to
Mhm.
write this one 630. Okay, they're
Mhm.
asking
Yeah.
write the product of prime numbers. Actually, what are the prime number? First of all, tell me just what are the prime number? Starting with 2. Next one, 3, 5, 7. Next one, 11,
No.
13, 17,
No.
19. These type of,
11.
yeah, yes, yes. These type of things you can take it as a prime
Mhm.
numbers. Is that clear? Okay, these are the prime
Yeah.
numbers.
Yes, sir.
You remember, no? Now they asking
Mm.
630. They are asking what? 630 right as the factors of prime numbers. So you have to
Mm.
divide this value. So here you have to divide this value. What is the best factor? 2. If you can divide by 2, you have to divide it. Okay. Now
Mhm.
630 can be divided by 2. Should be what? 315. Okay.
Mhm.
Now
Yeah.
315. Can you divide by 2? Can? Can't. Again,
No.
can't. So you have to go for the next one. Next value is 3. I think it can be divided by 3, no? Yes, you have to
Mhm.
divide by 3. It should be 105. Okay, 105. Again,
Mhm.
if you can divide by 3, if you can divide by 3 again, you have to divide again. Okay, so next one should be
Mhm.
35. 35, can you divide by 3? No, 35 is not divided by
Oh.
3. You have to go for the next one. What is 5? When you divide by 5, it is 7. 7 can be
Mhm.
divided by only which 7? It is 1. Okay, until
Mhm.
last answer become 1, you have to divide here. Okay,
So
so
isn't it 6? Oh
sorry,
no, 7.
7,
It's
7.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
35 divided by 5, it is 7. Yes. 36 is 6 divided by 6. Yes.
Mhm.
Now you can write it 630. How to write? You can write it as a multiplication of them. What are the values? 2,
Yeah.
there are 2 twos, 2 trees, and 5 and 7. Okay. Now
Mhm.
you can write this one as a what? Factors, as a multiplication of powers. Okay. So here there are 1, 2. There are how many trees? There are
Two.
2 trees, and they are having 1, 5, and 7. Okay. You can
Mm.
write
Yeah.
as a product of what? Product of
Yeah.
prime numbers like that.
Oh, 6.
Okay. Can you write down this one if
Mhm.
you didn't write? Okay. Can you
Yes,
write
sir.
this? Okay, right. I will give another example for you. Okay, after doing this one,
Mhm.
please try this question also. I give like 1,000. Okay.
Okay.
Try to write this one with the multiplication of factors as the prime number says. This one also starting with 2, just divide in there. First of all, 2, 500, if you can 500, yes, 2, next it by 5, like that and continue. Okay. I think this will be disconnected after 4 minutes. Okay. Please join again.
Mm-hmm.
Using the same so.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Just
Sir, did it?
yes. You did, yes. So first of all,
Mm-hmm.
I take 1000 divide by 2. It's 500. Again divide by 2.
Mm-hmm.
250. Again can be divided by 2, no? Yes. 120.
Yeah.
Now divide by 5.
And by five.
5. Yes, divide by 5. 5. 5 can be. Now you can write it as what?
Mhm. Write
Eight.
it as 2
Yeah.
times 2 times 2
Yes. 5.
times 5 times 5 times 5.
Yes. Yeah. Actually 2 into the 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3.
3.
Yes. Like that, no? Is that clear right now?
Mhm.
This is
Yes.
yes. Product of prime numbers, no? That
Mm-hmm.
product of prime numbers as a indices. Okay. We will move again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now first one will second one. Okay. Find the highest common factor of 18, 36, and 40. Do you following any method for this one? I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to find the highest common factor. Okay. Highest common
Mm-hmm.
factors of 18, 36, and 40. So for this one, first of all, you can write these value as like here with the prime factors. Okay. First of all, you have to write
Mm-hmm.
this value as these prime factors. Okay. You should be write as the prime factors like here. Okay. I'll do right there. Okay. I want to write this value as a prime factors. So the value should be first of all 18. Divide here. 2, 9. 9 can be divided by 3. 3. 3 can be divided by 1. That's the first one. Okay. The second one, 36. Okay, do like that. 36 can be divided by 2, 18. 18 can be divided by 2, 9. 9 can be divided by 3. It's 3. 3 can be divided by 1. Okay. And 40.
Yep.
40 can be divided by 2, 20. 20 can be divided
Mm-hmm.
by 2, 10. 10 can be divided by 2, 5. 5 can be divided by 5, only 1. Okay. Now you have to write them as an order. 18. Value as a okay, now you can write this value as a multiplication of what? Factors. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If you
Yeah.
write it this one, first one, it's 2 times 3 times 3. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If I write
Yeah.
another one, second one, it should be what? 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times
Mm-hmm.
2, 3 times 3.
Yeah.
And next one, 2, 2, 2, 5. It's 2, 2, 2, and
Right.
5. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
you can encircle what are the common factors. You have, if I take this 2, it should be taken for all three values. No? So you can encircle that one. If I take
Mm-hmm.
only this 2, you can't circle because why? It's not belongs to 18. So you can't circle that one. So you can
Mm-hmm.
circle another one. What? Is there any value? 3 and 3 and 3? No,
Yeah.
because there are no 3 in the 40. Is there any
Mm.
other value? No.
No.
So what should be the highest common factor?
Yeah.
Highest common factor should be only 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give another example for you. Okay, try to
Mm-hmm.
get the highest common factor for 18 and 24 and 36.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you find highest common factors of these three?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try 18, 18, 24, and 36. You have to follow the same step. First of all, you can divide them. Okay, first of all, you do. 18 can be divided with the common factors. Okay, you can write down this one first. Okay, if you write this one first and try this one. 18, 24, and 36. Same step, follow up same steps. You already write 18 and 36. Yes. You have to
Yeah.
find only for 24. Okay, just do until practice is yours. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is that correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
For 18, you can divide by 2, it's 9. 9 can be divided by 3, it's 3. 3 can be divided by 1. 24 can be divided by 2, it's 12. 12 can be divided by 2, it's 6. 6 can be divided by 2, it's 3. 3 can be
Mm-hmm.
divided by 3, it's 1. Yes. Until practicing, I just writing all this. Okay. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Here, divide by 2, 18. 18 can be divided by 2, 9. 9 can be divided by 3, 3. 3 can be divided by yes. Okay. These are the
Mm-hmm.
steps. Normally, we
Yeah.
have following up. Now, you
Mhm.
can write them. Yes. If you consider 18, you can write it as 2 into 3 into 3. If you consider
Mm.
24, it should be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. If you consider
Yeah.
36, it should be 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Now encircle them. Here you can take 2. Any other value?
A 3.
Yeah, it should be 3 for all. You can take any 3, it's fine. Okay? Yeah. So HCF should be, highest common factor should be 2 into 3. There are two
Mm-hmm.
values. 2 into 3 should
Yeah.
be 6. Is,
Yeah.
is that clear, correct for you?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Okay, is that clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
If they are asking highest common factor, it's better to go in with these steps. Okay, it's better. Okay, that's why I write it with these steps. Okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Next one is easy. You have to write this one as what? Ascending order.
Uh,
Yeah.
Smallest to largest.
Yeah. What is the smallest value?
Minus 11.5.
Yeah. Here the smallest value. Second is smallest. Minus
Minus
8.3. Yes.
0.3.
Next one minus 3.5. Minus 3.2. And largest one is plus 1.4. That's correct, no?
Mm-hmm.
That one easy. I think you already know. And next one, the addition and the division. It's for your practice. I think that one also can you do, no? Yes. What is the answer for this one?
For that one,
Sorry.
I haven't done that yet.
Ah,
I'm gonna do
okay.
it.
Yeah, okay, okay. Do it. Yes. You can do, no? Yes. Just add
Mm-hmm.
it them. Yes. Continue. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. What's the answer for this one?
51.73.
51.73, yes. 51.73 euro. And next here,
18.33.
good, 80.33. I'm no need to do, no? You can do, yes.
Yes.
Here, Vakat, you have to just multiply. When you multiply, you have to not consider what decimal point. After that one, you have to place how many decimal point and you can place it, no? I think you already know how to do here. Actually, it's 23 into 0.23 into 0.14. When you multiply
Mhm.
this one, don't think about decimal point. Just multiply it.
Yeah.
If you okay, just ignore the decimal point and multiply. 0.3 12, 1, 0.28 and 9. Put 0. 1 into 3 3, 1 into 2 2. When you add it 2, it's 12. It's 3. Now they are having how many decimal point? They are
One.
having 2. Yes. After
Yeah.
this one, there are 2. Yes. Like that, like counting.
Mhm.
Now you have to place decimal point from this side 2.
Mhm.
So decimal place should be here 3.22. Is that clear?
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah. Just do like that. Okay. If you
Yeah.
didn't do, other one also do 27 in. It's there are no decimal point. You can just multiply. It's easy. 27 into 149. Just multiply it. You, if you want, you can multiply this one like here. 149 into 27. It's better.
Mhm.
Yes. Do it. Just multiply them. 7
I
into
did
9.
it.
Yes. 7 into 9. 6. 63. 7 into 4. Slowly do it. 38, 34.
Mm.
7 into 1, 7, 10. Put 0. 18. Remember what? 2 into 4, 9. 2. Just add them. 3, 12, 10, 4. There are no decimal for it. So it's 4023. Like such that, no? Yes.
Mm.
You should be good with the multiplication. Just multiply with the numbers. You should be good with that one. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Shall we move next one?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now they ask you something different thing.
Mhm.
Work out. Yeah, it's easy. One third
Mhm.
of 18, 81. Just multiply. If they are
Mhm.
having off, you have to multiply it, no? One third
Yeah.
of 81. It's easy. You can cancel 81 and 3.
20. Is it 23?
27. It's 27.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, 27.
Yes. Yes. That's 27. Okay, good. Okay, continue. Next question. Here they are asking 204, 345 divide by 11. Here's the
Mhm.
factor. You have to write it as a mixed number. Okay, right.
Mhm. Yeah.
345. 345 divide by 11. If you want, you can write like this 345 divided by 11. For 34, it's 3.
So I got the answer 31.36.
Actually, they are asking as a mixed number.
Mhm.
Yes,
Yeah.
not in the point form. Yes. Here, yeah, you said what? Here, 3, it's 33, remaining 1. 115, there are no 1. 11, it's 4. For 40, yes. Okay. There are remaining 4. Like,
Yeah.
31 and remaining 4. So you can write 31, remaining 4 divided by 11 as the mixed number.
Mhm.
Yeah. You correct. That's right. Okay. If you go for the decimal points, yes. If you consider
Mhm.
40, it should be 3, 33, 7. If you consider 70, it's 6. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. 31.34. But they are asking as a what? Mixed number.
Mixed number.
Yeah. If you're writing as a mixed number, you have to write like this. Okay. Okay. Both correct.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Shall we move next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. Here, if they are asking writing as a decimal number, you have to divide here. Yes. Here, percentage.
Mhm.
Yes. 3 divided by 8 and 0.7 as a percentage. Okay. Right.
Mhm.
Right there. The first one, 3 divided by, write it as a decimal and 0.7, no? Yes.
Then
0.
write the decimal.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. First one, you have to write as a decimal. When you are writing
Mhm.
as a decimal, you have to divide it. And next one, percentage. When you are writing as a percentage, you have to multiply by 100%.
Mhm. Yeah.
Can you do? Yes. Shall we move? Yes. 0.7. Yes. Here you have to divide. First one, you have to divide. Next one, you have to go for the 3 divided by 8 here.
Mhm.
Here, 0.7, you have to multiply by 100%. Okay. Get the answers. Yes. You can do.
I've done, sir.
Okay. Here, 3 divided by 8. What is the answer? Here, 0.
37.5.
Here, it's for 3. Not 37. 0.37. No?
Oh, I
Oh,
got the
3.
wrong one.
Yeah, they are having decimal point in the beginning. Okay, it should be beginning. Yes. 24, 60. Yeah. For 60, it is 7 years. Good. So 56 and 4. Yes, 5. It's
375.
0.375. Okay. Here, this one is what? 70%, no?
30%, yeah.
Yeah, it's 70%. Okay. Shall we move?
Mhm.
Okay, next two you can do, I guess. Shall we do?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Okay, try.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here 70 as a fraction. Fraction means
Mhm.
you can write this one as 70%. Percent means
Mhm.
divide by 100. No?
100. Yeah.
You can simplify this one. No? 0 and 0 can be cancelled. It's 7 over 10.
Yeah.
Yes. Here 0.8 means actually divide by 10.
Mhm.
One decimal point. You can simplify what is the 4 over 5.
Mm.
Exactly. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Oh, how do you do this, sir? Which of the fraction are larger than 1.4?
Is it 2 or 1?
1 over 2 actually should be more than 1 over 2. That's correct, no?
Mm-hmm.
Now, how you consider this value? You have to take common denominator. Exactly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now, 7 and here you have to consider 1 over so 7 over 2 over 7 and 1 over 4. How to consider that too? 1 over 4 and 2 over 7. You
Mm.
have to think, okay, 2 over 7, other value is 1 over 4. What is the large value?
Mhm.
When you think in these two, you have to take common denominator. Actually, 7 and 4, it should be common denominator what? 28.
8.
Yeah. You have to consider with 28. If you multiply this one by 4, here also 4, it
Mm-hmm.
28 over 28. If I multiply 7, this one also 7. Here 27 over 20. What is the largest value? 8 over 28. So
Mm-hmm.
2 over 7 is larger than 1 over 4. Is that clear?
Yeah.
No. Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to consider what common denominator. First of all, consider common denominator. After that one, you can think if this value
Mm.
what numerator is big value, it should be larger one. Okay.
Mm.
So actually, this one also you can consider what as a larger value. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now think
Yeah.
about this one. 3 over 11, 1 over 4 and 3 over 11. Think
Mm.
1 over 4 and 3 over 11. Yes, think. What is the common denominator? It's
Uh,
44.
44.
Yeah, think. I just do think. Just multiply 11. Here should be multiply 4. Okay, what is the large thing?
3 of 11 is largest.
Yes, it is largest. Yeah. Here 12, 44. Here
Mm-hmm.
11, 44. Yes, this one is largest. No? So
Mm-hmm.
3 over 11 again, it should be larger than this one.
Mm.
Here 2 over 5. What do you think? Shall we try? 2 over 5.
Yeah.
Yes. Here 2 over 5. Here 1 over 4. What should be large? 5 and 4, it should be 20. This
Uh,
one 4, this one 5.
5.
Yes.
Yeah.
Think here 4, this one 5.
The 5. 2 or 5 is larger.
2 over 5 large. Yes. Here it's 8. Here 10. Here 5. 4. Yeah. 5, 20. Not 20. Yeah. This one is larger. So 2 over 5. So all of them are larger than this one. No?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. Can you do this, Alice? Fraction?
Yeah.
Addition? Okay. If they are having this kind of thing, Mixed number, you have to convert that one into the what? Improper form. Did you remember?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Okay, can you do?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is the answer for first one?
And for the first one, it's 26 over 35.
26 or 35. Okay, you have to consider this one as a 35. So this one multiply by 7. Here also 7, 21. Yes. You have to
Mm-hmm.
multiply by 5. Here by 5. Yes. 5 over 35. So when you add in these two, it's, yeah, 26 over 35. First one correct. Yes. 26
Mm-hmm.
over 35. I just writing here. Okay. So here you have to convert this one as a mixed number into improper form. 5 into 2, 10, 10, 11, 11 over 5. Minus here 7
Mm-hmm.
over 10. Now you have to convert this 5 into 10 from one denominator. It's 22. 22 over 10 minus 7 over 10. No? So what's the answer? 15 over 10.
Mm-hmm. Do you know 10? Yeah.
Yeah. You can, if you want, you can divide by 5. It's 3 over 2. Otherwise, 1, 1 over 2.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, you can simplify. Sometimes you got
Mm-hmm.
1, 5 over 10. It can be divided by 2.
Yeah.
Yes, it can be divided by 5. Okay, here,
Mm-hmm.
if they are having divide, you can take it as what? Take it as multiplication. Did you remember?
I forgot that one.
Yeah, okay. I will go.
Do you have to swap it like 9 over 4?
Yeah, if they are having, you have to take it as a multiplication and yes, it
Mm-hmm.
should be taken as a reciprocal, 9 over 4. 2 over 3, 2 over 3, you have to convert this one as a multiplication.
Yeah.
Here, this sign convert for the multiplication. Here, 4 over 9, it should be 9 over 4. 9 over 4. Okay. Now cancel. How many trees? There are 3. 1. If I cancel by 2, here 1, here 2. 2 over 3 over 2. Again,
Mm-hmm.
you can, if you want, you can convert this one as a mixed number. 1. There are 1 over 2.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Clear?
Mm.
Do like this. 1 over 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now they are asking, okay, that's all finished. Okay, which of the larger? Now you have to get the answers and you have to think.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is the larger? Shall you do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, think. 0.35 minus 0.07. Here, 0.25 minus 0.07. 25 minus 7, it's 18, 0.18. Actually, you can write this one as what? 0.18 when you subtract this one, 0.18. You can write this one as what? Fraction form. There are two
Mm-hmm.
decimal point. If they are having two
Yeah.
decimal point, actually it's divide by 100.
Mm.
If they are
Mm-hmm.
having two decimal point, 18 actually divide by what?
100.
100. Now you can simplify this one. No? You can divide
Oh,
both
you can.
by 2. It's 9 over 50. 9 over 50. That's the first
Mm-hmm.
one.
Yeah.
Okay, other one. Here, 2 over 3
Mm-hmm.
minus 1 over 2. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. Now,
Mm.
will you have subtracted these two? Yes, do it. Yes. Take common denominator. 2 and 3 and 2, it should be 6.
Mm.
Yes, do it.
You do 1/6.
Yes, we'll see. You can multiply this one by 2. Here 3. When you multiply by 2, it's 6. Here, when you multiply by 2, 4. Here 3. Actually, this one 3, yes. Yeah, it's 1 over 6. So what is the largest value? 1 over 6, so 9 of
Mm.
how you consider? Mhm. You can take common denominator. 6 and 50. What should be the common denominator? Should be
Mm-hmm.
300. It should be 300.
Mm.
You can multiply this one by 50. You can multiply this one by 6. Okay?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Now, when you multiply this one by 6, which it is what 6 into 9? 6 into 9, 54. 54 over 300. Here, 50 over 300.
Yeah.
So, what is the larger one?
Mm. 9 over
Yeah,
50.
9 over 50. Actually, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Is that clear? Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, they are having some part you have to think. Okay, you have to go with the basics. Okay, basic theorem. Okay,
Mm.
right. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. Is that clear, na? Yes. Shall we move next one? Yes.
Yeah.
Again, it will be disconnected after 2 minutes. Okay. Join again.
Mm.
Okay. Shall we do this one? Yes. Here the same. You have to convert this one into the mixed number.
Mm.
Here 3 over 5. Multiplication. You can convert this one as the mixed number. Mixed number into
Mm.
the improper. How to write improper fraction? Here 0.14. 4 plus 1, 5. 5
5
over
over.
4. Now
Mm.
it easily cancel numerator and the denominator. 5
Mm-hmm.
and 5 cancel. 1, 1. Now you can multiply, no? It's easy.
Mm-hmm.
3 to 1, 3. 1 into 4, 4. It's 3 over 4.
Mm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Try. Next one. Here actually 3 decimal point. So it's divide by
1,000.
1000. Good. 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 Yes. Do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. So what's the answer here? Here 45
Mm.
over actually 1000. You can
Mm-hmm.
divide by 5, no? When you divide by
Yeah.
5, it's 9 over 200.
Mm.
Yeah, what is simplest form? It is 9 over 200.
Mm-hmm.
You can write like this 9 over 2. Okay, 25% of 8.60.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, shall we do?
Yeah.
25% of 8.60. 25% of 8.60 euro. You know, actually 25%. 25 over 100. Here 8.60. You can cancel here. 1 here 4. Actually 8.60 you can divide by what? 4. Shall
Mm-hmm.
you divide 8.60 into 4?
Yeah.
You can divide. Here for 8 it's 2 decimal point. For 60 it is 50.
Mm.
2.15, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be 2.15. You can
Mm.
divide it, no? Is that clear? If they're
Yeah.
asking percentage, actually it should be by 100. You have to remember that.
Mm.
Should be by 100. Okay, let's go next one. Minus 3 to the power 2. This one may be interesting. Cubic root of 125. Yeah, try. Minus 3 to the power 2. Cubic root of 125. Yes. It's not a square root. It's cubic root. What is the meaning of that one?
A square root.
Yeah, not square root. Here, root of 3. Yeah, first of all, this one is squared. Minus 3 into squared. Last week I said what? If they're having what? Powers of even, it should be final
Is
answer
it
plus 1.
-3 times -3?
Minus 3 comes minus 3. Yes. It's minus into minus, it become plus.
9.
Plus 9. Okay, if they are having
Mm.
odd, even powers, always it should be plus. Here, 125. Actually, this one can be right as what? A cubic root. You can write cubic root as what? 1 over 3. Power of what? 1 over 3. You can write this one as what? Power of 1 over 3. Keep in mind.
Mm-hmm.
If they are
Yeah.
having square root like here, you can write it as 1 over 2.
Mm-hmm.
Here,
Yeah.
you can write 1 over 3. Now, can you write 125? Is the powers of 3 any value? 125? You can write it as like here 5 into 5 into 5. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
5
Yeah.
into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. 5 to the power 3, no? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Here,
Yeah.
125 can be right 5 to the power 3. Okay, for this.
Mm.
It's for this.
Yeah.
Here, they are having another 1 over 3.
Mm-hmm.
They are having another 1 over 3. Okay, 5 to the power
Yeah.
3 and another 1 over 3. So, what will be happen next? You can cancel 1 over 3 and what? Here 3 and 3 can be cancelled. Final answer only 5. 5 to the power 1. It should be 5. Is that clear?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll continue this. This them. Okay, let's move. Okay, this one is easy. Today part test. Just write down quickly. You have to
Mm-hmm.
write with the standard form.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, it should be what? Here
Uh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes,
mm-hmm.
3.4 into 10 to the power 9. If you move for the what? Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7. Until this one, okay? After that one, you can't move.
Mm.
It's 3.04. It's 3.04.
Mm.
Is that clear? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that one, there are no more, okay? No movement because you have to write it only with 0 and 10. Between 0 and 10. Okay, I move 7 times, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So it's if you are move for the right side, it should be minus. Okay, minus
Mm-hmm.
7. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, yes. Let's continue. 19 and 20. Just try. Yes.
So how do you do 19th question?
Actually, it's asking for the what? 10th. 10th.
Mm. Do you have to times
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. 10 means next decimal point, no? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Here, 1th, 10th, 100, like that, no? Yes. They're asking for next decimal point. Did you remember
Mm.
how to round it?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you are first of all, I quickly recap this. And okay, if they are asking for the whole numbers, okay, like
Mm-hmm.
here, if they are rounded for tenth, 10 rounded for nearest 10, not tenth, 10. If I take it as a 36, what is the rounded for nearest 10? If they are having more than 5, you have to go for the next 10. So it should be 40. Did you remember this? If they are having 94, something like that, it is less than 5. The last value is less than 5. If they are having less than 5, you have to go for the previous 10. It should be 90. If they are having 95, 5 or more than 5, you have to go for the next one. It should be what?
Mm-hmm.
100. 97.
Yeah.
Also, you have to go for the next one. What is 100? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You have to round it
Yeah.
like this. And here, they are given the answer measured for 37.6 for the rounded. After finally
Mm-hmm.
rounded,
Yeah.
it is 37.6. Actually, if I take 10, 60. Okay, here the
Mm-hmm.
rounded asked answer. If they are
Mm-hmm.
rounded like this for 10, 60, the smallest value, what should be there? The smallest value should be 37.55. 55.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Mm.
The
Yeah.
largest value should be what?
It's
37.6,
not for 60.
60,
6.
64. Rounded. The final
Mm.
answer after rounded, it should be 60. Is that
Mm.
clear? After round
Yeah.
that turn, it becomes 60. So actually, if they are round after rounded, it becomes 60. The smaller rounded value should be what? 55. The
Mm.
largest rounded value what? 64. If they are a target taking 65, it becomes 70. Is that clear?
Mhm. Yeah.
They're asking what is the range of that or no? They're asking write down the error interval, the length of the journey. What is the error interval should be? It should be 37.55. The range, it should be less than what? Less than or equal what? 37.64. Is that clear?
Oh,
This
yeah.
should be the range. Okay.
Mm.
This should be
Yeah.
the range. Okay. So here should be the error interval. These values should be taken 5. Is that clear?
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. You can write like this. That's the actually they asking like range. They're asking with the different form. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
Asking method is only different, but they're asking about range.
Mm.
Okay. Yes.
Is uh,
What about next one? Yes. Here are three cards. They are having three
mhm.
cards. Accordingly, you have to take two-digit multiple of three. Okay, write down
Mhm.
the largest two-digit multiple of three that can be used in this card. Okay, first of all, we will write.
Mhm.
What are the
Yeah.
numbers that can be right? They are having a card of 251. No? What are the card?
Mm.
251. That's the card, no? 2, 5, and 1. Yes. What are the two-digit number that can be possible one? 25 can be right. And
Mm.
51.
51.
Yes. Other one 21 and 52. and
Mhm.
12. If I consider 2, 25, 21. Yes. If I
Mhm.
started by 5, 51, 52. 51, 52. Yes. If I started by 1, 12 and 15. Okay.
Mhm.
These are the only numbers, no? That can be right. There are
Yeah.
6 numbers, yes. Now they are asking multiples of 3. If you
51.
know, yes. Is 25, how you recognize multiples of 3? How do you recognize? When you adding all value, it become 3, 6, or 9. You can take it as a
Mhm.
multiple. 2 plus,
Yeah.
yeah, 2 plus 5, it is 7. This is not a
Mhm.
multiple of 3. 5
Yeah.
plus 6, 5 plus 1, 6. It is a multiplication of 6.
Mhm.
Multiplication of 3. 2 plus 1, 3. It's a multiplication of 3. 5 plus 2, 7. It's not a multiplication of 3. 1 plus 2, 3. It is a
What?
multiplication. Yes. 1 plus 5, yes, 6. Yeah. Here the
Mhm.
multiplication of 3. What are they?
Yeah.
51, 21, 12, and 50. They are asking largest value. What is largest value? 50.
50.
Wow.
51.
Yes, largest value is 51. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
You have to go like that. Just a small thing. They are asking with the different way.
Mhm.
That's a specialist thing. Okay. Okay. You can do other
Yeah.
question at later on. Okay. Is it okay? Yeah. You can do other question in later on. Okay. No, we will do now. In next day, we will start the new lesson. Okay. We will do this question quickly. Okay. Go. No need this one. Go to 21 right now. 21, 21, 22. Quickly do them. Okay. 21, 22. This question
Mhm.
quickly we will move.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In 21, it's also something different question. No?
Mhm.
Yeah. It's different time. A unit electricity cost. A unit electricity cost. It's 9.086. Okay. P. On the average family uses 242.6 for what? So,
Um,
yes, its average family uses 240.26.
mhm.
Okay, now work out an estimate for the cost of the electricity for a year. So how?
Mhm. Yeah.
So they are given. Okay,
Mhm.
what is the meaning of this one? 200 and yeah, we can round at them. Okay, first of all, rounded for the whole number. They are asking
Mhm.
but estimate no, no need. Clear one, rounded.
Yeah.
9.08. What is the rounded value? It's When you rounded that one, rounded for the 10 or something like that, it's like 9, no? 9p.
Mm.
If I rounded for nearest 10, it is 240.
Okay.
Okay, now they are given the monthly usage is 240 units. Okay,
Mm.
1 unit cost is what? 9p. Is that clear? 1 unit
Yeah.
is 9p. Monthly usage is how many units? 240 units averagely. For yearly usage, okay, I write with the different. Okay, they asking estimated value. Okay, no need
Mm-hmm.
for answer. Okay, here mention unit cost. I take like the unit cost is 9p
Mm-hmm.
and mention monthly usage. Monthly usage is what? 240 units.
Yeah.
They are asking if I take according to this one, what is the yearly usage? How many months per year?
For 12.
You have to multiply this early by 12. 12 into
Mm-hmm.
24, it's 288, and there are 10. So how many
Mm.
units? It's 200, yeah,
2,880.
2,880. Yes. So what is the estimated cost?
Uh,
Estimate. Yeah.
33,000.
Yeah. You have to multiply these units by what? 9p. Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Estimated
Yeah.
cost. Yeah. Multiply it. You can multiply this one 200, 2,880 multiplied by 9. When you multiply it,
Mm-hmm.
it is 0, 18 to 9.
900 25,920.
Yes. It's 1,000. No. 9 against 7. 9 into 2. It's 25. Yes. Something like this.
Mm.
Here the cost.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that. You can round it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. I just give it. They're asking
Yeah.
the electricity bill. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you try other question at home? 22,
Yes, sir.
23, 24. Okay. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Okay. We will do in the next day. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you try this question? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And we will move for the algebra on the next day. That's should be important. Okay. If you have
Okay.
any doubt, let me know. Okay. Put me
Okay,
message.
sir.
Okay. No, no need to try. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. We will do on the next day. I will share the recording mostly today. Okay. Sure.
Okay, sir.
Last week also.
Thank, mhm.
Okay. Okay. With this. See you on the next day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Good evening.
Bye, sir.